Forecast.
Welcome back. A beauty out there today. Loving the drone shot. Let's buzz Power Doppler 3 because Power Doppler 3 not buzzing right now. Not a whole lot to show on the radar. We'll get to that in just a bit. Mostly sunny skies and patches of bluer skies from time to time. We still have a fair bit of atmospheric haze with a lot of smoke in the air from Mexico fires, New Mexico fires, and that kind of messed up our lunar eclipse a little bit last night. It was awfully dark when we saw that eclipse, but it was still pretty cool last night to see that. And today, wow, back up to 93. May even be the hottest day of the year. Might push 94. We'll see what happens when we get in the official report from the National Weather Service. But Acadiana being dominated by an upper level ridge of high pressure that spans from Mexico to Texas, and that's giving us a light north wind. We have this upper low here in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. So any storms that are forming up, they're dropping generally in this flow from the north-northwest to the south-southeast. And just going down to the Yucatan, because we're going to talk about this a little bit later on, dry air here, but it looks like we're going to see a little bit of an upper level and surface low developing down here by Central America. That's also known as the KATC, as in the Central American gyre that you see forming during the course of the month, in the months in the tropics, that sometimes slings tropical moisture toward the Gulf of Mexico. More on that in just a bit. Locally, though, across much of the lower 48, some active weather in eastern New Mexico along a dry line there and along the east coast with the threat of some severe storms. Severe thunderstorm watches continue into this evening. Not a high-end event, but we've had a couple of warnings. Locally for us, it's been a quiet pattern. High pressure out here in the Gulf of Mexico, allowing for a west to southwest wind, and that's why we got our temperatures in the mid-90s. When the winds are more south-southwest rather than southwest or west-southwest and light, we're going to see temperatures not quite as hot, and that's what we hope to see as we get later this week with winds picking up out of the Gulf. Power Doppler 3 not showing a whole lot close to home. Pretty active thunderstorm cluster here in Mississippi. A lot of cloud-to-ground lightning and gusty winds east of Natchez heading southeastward, but not impacting us. But we could see a few pop-up showers between now and about 8 p.m., but chance of that no more than about 10% this evening. And that's what we're going to go with rain chances tomorrow. Low to mid-70s tonight, back up to near 93, 94 for a high tomorrow, with rain chances staying low, a little bit better off to the east of us. And then we do it all over again on Wednesday with some morning clouds, but mostly sunny skies in the afternoon, southwesterly winds, and our temperatures once again getting up to about 92 or 93 degrees. Winds begin to pick up a little bit for Wednesday. They'll do more so as we get into Thursday and Friday, and maybe more of a southerly component, so not quite as hot, but still pushing 90 degrees. By the way, I've checked the numbers so far through mid-May. We're in the 9th warmest May on record, and we're just going to go up on that as our temperatures continue to stay quite hot. As we go into the tropics, not a whole lot going on. We're watching this moisture down here by Central America. As the models have been telling us, it looks like it's going to be making a move northwestward. Here's the European model that hasn't been big on any development. I'm only showing out 7 days because anything beyond 7 days is really conjecture with these models. And again, the Euro indicating now getting a little warm to the idea of maybe something developing perhaps in the southern Gulf, could be out in the eastern Pacific, but also some of that tropical moisture working its way toward the Gulf. Meanwhile, the GFS, as you might have heard or seen on social media, has been kind of rambunctious, but it does develop something a little bit more organized down here by the Yucatan through next Monday. So we'll watch this feature. Nothing to worry about yet. No major issues in the tropics for now. So in the near term overnight tonight, quiet night ahead, nearly a full flower moon out there, about 97, 98%. So it'll be brighter than last night, and also the model indicating maybe a little fog, patchy light fog overnight. 93 the high again tomorrow with your rain chance no higher than 10% once again. So if you like today, you're going to like tomorrow. You're going to love Wednesday, Thursday. Notice temperatures not quite as hot, but still hitting 90 degrees Thursday, Friday. And then as we head into the following weekend and coming up this weekend, it looks like that ridge of high pressure will flatten and allow for scattered showers and thunderstorms to develop, and that will help take the edge off.